So this weekend, I unexpectedly sold my car to CarMax. But I wanted to share with you a few things if you are thinking about selling your car, one of the ways that you can go through the process, as well as if you do sell your car, you don't have a car that you own and you might have a work car like I have now, or you might want to drive a friend's car. It is a policy that you use to protect yourself, again, when you sell your car and you don't own a car. So, yep, this is my 2022 Kia Sportage SX. One of the reasons why I wanted to sell it was because, again, I got a company car. I wasn't loving the gas mileage on it, and interesting enough, I'm driving a Ford Explorer now. When I came back with driving it, I'm like, wow, that's even smoother than my Kia Sportage. There are a few other quirky things. So what I did was I went to CarMax, put all my information in. It came back as $21,600. But before I actually did that, I reached back to my car dealership, Kia car dealership, where I bought the car, and asked them what they would be willing to give me. They offered me $21,000. And when I went to look about CarMax, they would not be willing to match that offer. So they definitely had the best offer, CarMax. But what I did was Thursday night, in the middle of the night, I couldn't sleep, so I thought, well, let me see what other offers there are out there. So NerdWallet is a site that came up in the search. They're a popular site for financial information, and you could get a price as well, and it gives you a number of different companies. Well, one of the companies that was on there is called CarWiser. And so I saw the same offer and the same thing, and I thought, okay, I'll just go to CarMax. Well, the next day, on that Friday, I got a text from the company and then connected with Katie from the company, and she suggested to set up an appointment because, especially on the weekends, they can get very busy. And I did just that. She set it up for me. I got an email and showed the time, the price, and the code. I had not heard of CarWiser before, so if you're thinking about, selling your car, check out CarWiser, and hopefully you'll get Katie as well. She was great, and so great site. So definitely check out CarWiser. And the other thing I wanted to share as well is, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you sell your car like I have now, which I don't own a car, but I want to protect myself, there is a policy called the non-owner car insurance policy. And my friend had said to me I should look into this. So I reached out to my insurance company and I ended up getting it. And this is a way to protect you. So if you're driving a friend's car, you're going to rent a car, it's peace of mind and something to think about getting. And I'll put a link to this. So I wanted to share with you about this if you've never heard of it, as I had not heard of it, and I'm glad I did. And now I've got some coverage for peace of mind. So wanted to share that with you as well. So yes, my car is gone, and it's kind of weird that I don't have a car that I own now. And one of the other things to think about too is if you have paid off your car, you're still driving, put a car payment that you're paying yourself into a high interest savings account, which I've done. So I've been getting interest on that. And then when you sell your car, add that money to it. And then later on, when you need to get a car, you'll have that money saved. You set it aside, and you can basically almost pay cash for a new car, whatever it is that you want to get, unless you want to lease it. But I don't know if I'd ever lease again, but we'll see. That's another topic for another day. So there you go. Wanted to share this with you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Please feel free to share this with others, especially if you know somebody who has sold their car, they don't own it, they're using a company car, whatever it might be. That policy is definitely something to consider. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.